Kleiner Perkins just raised $3.5 billion, fueling AI startups that could disrupt entire industries and generate massive returns for investors. This surge in capital lets Kleiner Perkins configure early stage and late stage AI investments, optimizing their portfolio for explosive growth in 2026. Founded in 1972, Kleiner Perkins raised $1 billion for early stage ventures and $2.5 billion for late stage growth, backing companies like Anthropic and SpaceX. At TechCrunch Founder Summit 2026, top investors reveal tactical playbooks for scaling AI businesses and securing funding rounds that can exceed billions. Deploy this knowledge now, target early AI startups with scalable tech, automate your pitch decks, and position for funding rounds that can net tens of millions. Apple's WWDC 26 event showcased new AI-powered developer tools that automate app optimization, cutting coding time by 40% and boosting app performance instantly. Anthropic's latest AI model now integrates ethical guardrails, enabling enterprises to deploy safer AI assistants that reduce compliance risks by 60%. Visualize scaling your AI startup with a high-tech workspace that fuels productivity and innovation, where every keystroke launches your next breakthrough. Excel's Pritik Agarwal and Prosa Ashutosh Sharma lead AI investment rounds, accelerating startups that generate $5 million ARR within their first 18 months. VC firms now compete with $10 billion plus funds, forcing founders to optimize pitch decks and scale faster or risk missing out on life-changing capital. Kleiner Perkins' $2.5 billion late-stage fund targets AI companies ready to scale. This capital influx accelerates growth and preps startups for IPOs or major acquisitions fast. Last year's Figma IPO returned massive profits for Kleiner Perkins, proving strategic early investments in design and AI software can yield $100 million plus exits within a few years. The Google acqui-hire of Windsurf last summer gave Kleiner Perkins a solid exit, demonstrating how strategic portfolio management can generate multi-million dollar returns even in tough markets. Kleiner Perkins now runs with just 5 partners, optimizing decision speed and deal flow quality. Lean teams like this cut overhead and accelerate investment cycles drastically. Ev Randall's move to benchmark signal shifting power dynamics in VC. Leadership changes like this often reshape firm strategies and open new deal opportunities for aggressive investors. General Catalyst recently targeted a $10 billion fundraise, signaling massive bets on AI startups ready to scale globally in 2026 and beyond. Capture the energy of a high-stakes pitch room where founders deploy AI demos to secure multi-million dollar investments. Founders Fund closed a $6 billion growth vehicle in 2026, fueling late-stage AI companies pushing boundaries in autonomous systems and data analytics. Thrive Capital's $10 billion commitment this year targets AI-driven fintech and healthcare startups, accelerating innovation with massive capital deployment. Visualize a cutting-edge AI lab where engineers optimize neural networks, automate testing, and scale models that generate millions in revenue. Investor Mary Meeker's new fund focuses on AI-driven consumer apps, aiming to deploy $500 million into startups transforming user experience by 2027. Sequoia Capital recently launched a $4 billion AI growth fund, targeting companies scaling autonomous systems and enterprise automation across multiple sectors. Picture a high-tech innovation hub where engineers optimize AI algorithms, accelerating product launches and cutting development cycles by 30%. Andreessen Horowitz doubled its AI investments last year, focusing on startups that automate complex workflows and save clients millions annually. At MIT's Computer Science and AI Lab, researchers develop tools that Kleiner Perkins-backed startups integrate to scale AI solutions faster than competitors. Kleiner Perkins' $3.5 billion raise includes a $1 billion early-stage fund focused on breakthrough AI startups ready to scale fast in 2026. Annie Case, now an advisor at Kleiner Perkins, played a key role in securing early investments that returned millions from Figma's IPO. Deploying a lean team of 5 partners, Kleiner Perkins accelerates decision-making, cutting traditional VC bureaucracy and speeding investments by 40%. Last summer's Google acqui-hire of Windsurf generated a strategic exit, boosting Kleiner Perkins' portfolio value by over $150 million instantly. With AI IPOs like Anthropic and SpaceX on the horizon, Kleiner Perkins positions itself to capture billions in public market gains this year. Kleiner Perkins' Lean 5 partner team deploys rapid decision-making to capture AI market shifts faster than larger firms, cutting fund deployment time by 40%. This lean structure lets Kleiner Perkins optimize portfolio support, focusing on AI startups with scalable tech that can generate $100 million plus in revenue within 3 years. Drop a comment with the tool you're going to try first. And subscribe next week. I'm revealing something even bigger. Link to everything mentioned is in the description.